సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to discuss entropy and an equation for change in entropy in case of perfect gas. So first of all, what is the entropy? Entropy is defined as thermal property of a body which remains constant during an adiabatic process. It is denoted as S. Entropy is the thermal property. Entropy is the thermal property remains constant during an adiabatic process. It is denoted by S. So we have to derive an equation for change in entropy in case of perfect gas. Consider 1 mole of a perfect gas, that is the ideal gas, at a pressure P, at temperature T and volume V. If Q is amount of heat given to the gas, Q is the heat energy given to the gas. So in this case, entropy is given by ds equals to dq upon t. Since dq equals to tds, so by using thermodynamics first law is given by thermodynamics first law is equals to dq equals to du plus dw, but dw, we know that dw equals to pdv, but du equals to cv into dt. So the specific heat at constant volume into temperature. Then total these three equations, then total dq equals to cv into dt plus pdv. Okay, so this equation divided by temperature, so t. So this totally this is the equation. So this equation divided by t on both sides, so that equation can be written as this. So this equation can be written as dq upon t is equals to cv into dt upon t p into plus dv upon t. So to express the entropy terms of volume V and temperature T, the express entropy in terms volume V and temperature T. Now we have to eliminate the P. So our requirement is the entropy terms in volume and T. So now we have to eliminate this equation. P is eliminated. So we have to eliminate the P. We using the ideal gas or perfect gas. PV equals to RT. Then P equals to RT upon V. But here ds equals to dq upon t, then ds equals to dq upon t is the cv into dt upon t plus p into dv upon t. This equals to, so in this equation ds equals to cv dt upon t In the place of P we substitute the RT upon V into dV upon T. So in this equation T is the cancel, remaining is the ds equals to Cv dt upon T plus R dV upon V. So here integrating on both sides, integration entropy initial to entropy final to ds equals to integration temperature initial to temperature final, that is the here Cv is the constant, 1 upon T into dt plus R is the constant, integration initial volume to final volume, 1 upon V into dV. So this equation can be written as ds integration of ds is the s boundary is Si to Sf. So Cv integration of 1 upon T is the log T to the base E Ti upon Tf plus R log E to the base V initial volume to final volume. So this equation can be written as Sf minus Si equals to Cv log to the base E Tf upon Ti plus R log to the base E Vf upon Va. So to the base E here to write the base 10 we multiply the 2.303 into log. So Sf minus Si equals to 2.303 Cv log to the base 10 Tf upon Ti plus 2.303 R log to the base 10 of Vf upon Va. So this is the entropy terms in volume and temperature. There is no here pressure. The same as here to express entropy terms of pressure and temperature, eliminate the V. So but PV equals to RT, differentiating on both sides, P dV plus V dP is equals to R dt. Here dV equals to R dt minus V dP upon P. So this equation is substituted equation ds equals to Cv dt upon T plus this equation, substituting this equation, then that equation can be written as ds equals to Cv dt upon T plus P upon T in the dV R dt minus V dP upon P. Here P is the cancel, remaining is the ds equals to Cv dt upon T R dt minus V dP upon T is the plus. So this equation can be written as ds equals to Cv dt upon T plus R dt upon T minus v dp upon t. Okay, so but r equals to, we know that cp minus cv. So this equation can be written as ds equals to cv dt upon t minus cp minus cv into dt upon t minus v dp upon t. So this equation can be written as ds equals to cv dt upon t plus cp dt upon t minus cv dt upon t minus v dp upon t. In the place of cv dt upon t is the cancel. Remaining is the ds equals to cp dt upon t minus v dp upon t. But we know that pv equals to rt, v equals to rt upon p. We substitute this equation in this. So this equation can be written as ds equals to cp dt upon t minus, in the place of v we substitute rt upon p into dp upon t. Here t is the cancel, remaining is the ds equals to cp dt upon t minus r dp upon p. So now we have to integrating on both sides, then integration ds s entropy initial to entropy final, cp integration temperature initial to temperature final 1 upon t into dt minus r integration pressure initial to pressure final 1 upon p into dp. So this equation can be written as s boundaries si to sf equals to cp log to the base e t boundaries t initial to t final minus r log to the base e p boundaries p initial to p final. So that equation can be written as s f minus si equals to cp log to the base e tf upon ti minus r log to the base e pf upon pi. So this equation can be written as sf minus si, the base 10 we write the 2.303 cp log to the base 10 tf upon ti minus 2.303 r log to the base 10 pf upon pi. Okay, next of all, to express the entropy in terms of pressure and volume. Pressure and volume to eliminate the here temperature. So but pv equals to rt, differentiating on both sides p dv plus v dp is equals to r dt, then dt equals to p dv plus v dp upon r. So this equation substitute ds equals to cv dt upon t plus p dv upon t. So in this equation we substitute that ds equals to cv upon t into dt means p dv plus v dp upon r plus this is the r plus p dv upon t, p dv upon t. So then ds is equals to cv into here p dv plus v dp upon here r is the pv equals to rt, pv equals to rt. Then we have substitute the r equals to pv upon t, r equals to pv upon t. In this is the t, cv upon t, p dv plus v dp. In the place of r we substitute the pv into t. So that is the r equals to pv upon t. The denominator pv upon t is change in numerator. Okay, plus this is the p dv upon t, dv upon t. In the place of t we substitute pv equals to rt. In the place of t we substitute the pv upon r. In the place of pv upon r, pv upon r is the pv is in denominator, r is in numerator, r is in numerator. So ds equals to cv, here t is the cancel, here p is the cancel. So remaining p dv plus v dp upon pv plus r dv upon v. Okay, so this equation can be written as ds equals to cv into p dv upon pv plus v dp upon pv plus r dv upon v. So here p is the cancel, here v is the cancel. Remainings, this equation can be written as ds equals to cv dv upon v plus dp upon p plus r dv upon v. So integrating on both sides, then we have to eliminate this r, but r equals to, we know that cp minus cv equals to r, that in the place of r we substitute the cp minus cv. Then ds equals to cv dv upon v plus dp upon p, and the cp minus cv into dv upon v. So further simplification, ds equals to cv into dv upon v plus dp upon p, this is the plus cp into dv upon v and minus cv into dv upon v. Here cv into dv upon v, cv into dv upon dv is the cancel. Remaining is the ds equals to dp upon p plus cp into dv upon v. No. This is the combination of this is the combination of this is the plus, so cv is also this side, so here cv. So here ds equals to cv into dP upon P plus Cp into dV upon V. So we have to integrating on both sides. So integration ds s initial to s final is equals to Cv into integration of 1 upon P dP P initial to P final plus Cp integration of 1 upon V dV initial to final. So this equation can be written as S SI to SF Cv log P Pi to Pf plus Cp log V Vi to Vf. So that equation can be written as SF minus Si equals to Si equals to Cv log to the base E Pf upon Pi plus Cp log to the base E Vf upon Vi. To write the base 10, we multiply the 2.303. SF minus Si equals to 2.303 Cv log to the base 10 Pf upon Pi plus 2.303 Cp log base 10 Vf upon Vi. So these three equations can be used for calculating the change of entropy for perfect gas. Some here special cases P1 equals to P2 and Pi equals to Pf. Some special cases in all equations we substitute the Pi equals to Pf, Vi equals to Vf and Ti equals to Tf. In all cases, this is the first case, this is the second case, this is the third case. In all three cases, the above three equations are determine the change in entropy for perfect gases.